How deep is the center of the Earth? The center of the Earth is one of the most fascinating and unreachable places on our planet. If you could dig a tunnel straight down from the surface, you would need to travel approximately 6,371 kilometers, about 3,959 miles, to reach the Earth's core. Scientists have divided the Earth into four main layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust is the Earth's thin, rocky outer shell, where all life exists. It can range from about 5 kilometers thick beneath the oceans to around 70 kilometers thick beneath continents. Below the crust lies the mantle, which extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is made of semi-solid rock that moves very slowly and is responsible for plate tectonics and volcanic activity. Beneath the mantle is the outer core, a layer of molten iron and nickel that spans from around 2,900 to 5,100 kilometers deep. The movement of the liquid metal in the outer core generates the Earth's magnetic field. At the very center of our planet is the inner core, which is solid despite its extreme heat, due to the intense pressure surrounding it. The inner core has a radius of about 1,220 kilometers, 760 miles, and is mainly composed of iron and nickel. The temperatures at the Earth's center are estimated to be as high as 5,700 degrees Celsius, 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is as hot as the surface of the sun. The pressure is also incredibly intense, estimated to be over 3.6 million times atmospheric pressure at sea level. Even though we can't physically drill to the center, the deepest human-made hole, the Kola Super Deep Borehole, only reached about 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles. Scientists have learned about the Earth's internal structure using seismic waves from earthquakes. These waves travel at different speeds through different materials, allowing scientists to map the layers of the Earth indirectly. The center of the Earth remains a place we may never visit, but it is essential for our planet's life-supporting systems. From the tectonic activity that shapes the continents to the magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation, the layers deep beneath our feet play a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth.